Hello my dear students, this is part 2nd video, chapter 4, carbon and its compound, class 10 CBSE. In this video we will discuss about the hydrocarbon, saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbons, isomerism, functional group and homologous series. The first of all we will discuss about formation of very large number of carbon compounds. Carbon form a very large number of compounds. The number of carbon compound is more than 3 million. It is more than the number of compounds formed by any other elements. This is because carbon atom can form bond with the other carbon atoms to form a long chain, branched chain or closed ring. This property is called as catenation. Since the valency of carbon is 4, it can form a bond with other carbon atom or the atoms of other element like hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, halogens, etc. So we will see the long chain, branched chain and closed ring. You can see here in this, the first figure, this is a straight chain compound. So normal pentane, so you can see here carbon, 5 carbon attached here, and the all are single bond definitely, and hydrogen. Now in case of branched chain, in the branched chain these carbons are in the straight chain, but this carbon having a one branch with the another carbon atom. So this is a which isopentane. Now this is the structure of cyclopentane. So in the cyclopentane you can see 1, 2, here also branch, and these two carbon attached with one another carbon atom. So this is a closed ring structure. So this is a cyclopentane. Now hydrocarbon, saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbons. What is hydrocarbons? Hydrocarbons are compounds containing carbon and hydrogen. क्या है हाइड्रोकार्बन? मतलब the name indicate that hydrogen and carbon which are present in that compound, that is called as hydrocarbons. The first of all, there are two types of hydrocarbons. One is the saturated and second one is the unsaturated. So first of all we will discuss about saturated hydrocarbons. The saturated hydrocarbons are hydrocarbons having all single covalent bonds between the carbon atoms. मतलब इसका मतलब ये हुआ कार्बन कार्बन के बीच which bond is there? Only single bond is available. You can see here methane, ethane and propane, all are the saturated hydrocarbons because there is only single bond present in between the carbon atoms. So the example, alkanes. So all alkanes have single covalent bond between the carbon atom and their names end with the ANE. You can see here methane, METHANE, ethane, ETHANE, and here also pentane, ANE. So all alkanes are the examples of saturated hydrocarbons. Now second, unsaturated hydrocarbons. All unsaturated hydrocarbons are hydrocarbons having a double or triple bond. मतलब कार्बन कार्बन के बीच क्या है, एक तो डबल बॉन्ड है या ट्रिपल बॉन्ड है. So that type of compound is called as unsaturated hydrocarbons. Okay, the examples are alkene and alkynes. In the saturated, alkane ANE is there, but here in the unsaturated, alkene and alkyne is there. So in the case of alkene, have a double covalent bond between the two carbon atoms. Alkene मतलब क्या? Double covalent bond, and alkyne means triple covalent bond. So alkenes is the name end with the ENE. You can see here propene, butene, pentene. So end with the ENE. So all ENE having which bond? Double covalent bond. So this double bond means nothing but the unsaturated hydrocarbons. You can see here C2H4 ethene. So the structure will be C double bond C HS means C2H4. In the case of propene, in one carbon carbon double bond is there, so that's why one double bond is available, means this is a alkene and definitely unsaturated hydrocarbons. Another example, alkyne. The alkyne having a triple covalent bond and the name end with the YNE. So you can see here ethyne, YNE, C2H2. You can see in between the carbon carbon triple bond is there, in between the carbon carbon triple bond is there. This is a propyne. So if the triple bond is there, अगर triple bond है तो उसको क्या बोलेंगे हम? अल्काइन बोलेंगे. अगर डबल बॉन्ड है तो अल्कीन बोलेंगे. तो अल्कीन एंड अल्काइन all examples are nothing but the unsaturated hydrocarbons. ओके, दिस इज अबाउट द सैचुरेटेड एंड अनसैचुरेटेड. सिंपल सैचुरेटेड मतलब क्या, अगर कार्बन कार्बन के बीच सिंगल कोवैलेंट बॉन्ड प्रेजेंट है, उसका एग्जांपल क्या है, अल्केन है. अनसैचुरेटेड मतलब क्या, कार्बन कार्बन के बीच अगर डबल बॉन्ड है या ट्रिपल बॉन्ड है, एग्जांपल क्या हुआ, अल्कीन्स हुआ और अल्काइन हुआ. नाउ आइसोमेरिज्म. व्हाट इज आइसोमेरिज्म? कंपाउंड्स हैविंग द सेम मॉलिक्यूलर फार्मूला बट डिफरेंट स्ट्रक्चरल फार्मूला are called isomers and the property is called as isomerism. You can see the example, C4H10 having two isomers. They are one is the normal butane and second one is the isobutane. मतलब क्या, आइसोमेरिज्म मतलब क्या, ये ऐसी प्रॉपर्टी है जिसमें मॉलिक्यूलर फार्मूला एक है तो उसका स्ट्रक्चरल फार्मूला अगर डिफरेंट है, अलग अलग है, तो उसको बोलते हैं आइसोमर्स. ओके, मतलब क्या, मॉलिक्यूलर फार्मूला इज द सेम बट डिफरेंट क्या है, स्ट्रक्चरल फार्मूला है. यू कैन सी द एग्जांपल, दिस इज वन मॉलिक्यूल, दिस इज अनदर मॉलिक्यूल, बट ऑल हैविंग अ 1 2 3 4 कार्बन 1 2 3 4 एंड हाइड्रोजन 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. मतलब C4H10, दिस इज अ molecular formula. Here also C4 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. C4H10 molecular formula is the C4H10, but the structure is different. So this is the isomers of C4H10 butane. So this is called as isomerism. The property is called as isomerism. Another example, pentane having a three isomers, C5H12. We can draw the structure like three ways. Okay, this is a pentane, simple pentane, this is a isopentane and here neopentane. आइसो में क्या होता है, सेकेंडरी कार्बन को क्या होता है, अनदर कार्बन अटैच रहता है, और नियो में एक सेंटर कार्बन को चारों तरफ से कार्बन कार्बन अटैच है, ये कार्बन 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 कार्बन. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड एज neopentane. So you can see, understand what is isomerism. Isomerism is a property in which the molecular formula is the same but the different structural formula, that is called as isomers or isomerism property. Now second, functional group. An atom or group of atom which decide the property of carbon compound is called as functional group. Number 1, halide, that is halo group. You can see Cl, Br. If the carbon is attached with the Cl or Br or any halogen, so the name will be halo group, means ANE. For example, chloro, you can see the example, CH3Cl means chloromethane, bromoethane. This is the first group. Second, alcohol, OH, and name end with OL. How? CH3OH, methanol, C2H5OH, ethanol. Next functional group, aldehyde. Aldehyde indicated by CHO, methanol, CH3CHO, ethanol. Now carboxylic acid, COOH, or you can write like this or this, C double bond O OH, name end with the OIC acid, oic acid. See the example, HCOOH, so this will be methanoic OIC, methane. So one carbon means methane, so methane will be converted to the methanoic acid, CH3COOH, ethanoic acid. इथेन का क्या हुआ, ethanoic acid. Now ketone, CO ONE, end with the ONE. You can see the example, CH3 COCH3 means you can see here this carbon having a double bond with the oxygen and single bond with this carbon and this carbon, so the name will be propanone. Here CH3CO C2H5 means how many carbon atoms are there, 1 2 3 4, 4 means butane, so butanone. Now homologous series. Homologous series is a group of carbon compounds having a similar structures, similar chemical properties, and whose successive number differ by CH2. For example, alkane, alkenes, and alkyne. The first one, alkane. Alkane having a general molecular formula is CnH2n plus 2. Alkane का general formula क्या है, CnH2n plus 2. Their name end with the, you know that, ANE, and the number are as follows. You can see methane CH4, ethane C2H6, propane C3H8, butane C4H10, pentane C5H12, and you can see how this formula satisfy. CnH2n plus 2, n means the number of carbon atoms. You can see here pentane means number of carbon atom 5. If we put the value n 5, so C5 into 2 10 plus 2 12, that's why C5H12. so the alkane का क्या है जनरल फार्मूला, CnH2n plus 2, and name end with the ANE. okay, now alkene का क्या है जनरल फार्मूला, CnH2n. क्या है CnH2n, वहाँ पे प्लस 2 था, यहाँ पे है क्या, नहीं है, खाली CnH2n है. देयर नेम एंड विद द, अल्केन में क्या था, ANE था, यहाँ पे ENE है, सो एंड विद द ENE, एंड द members are as follows. The first one, ethene C2H4, propene C3H6, butene C4H8, pentene C5H10. You can see the structure also. Here in the ethene, double bond will be available, so you can here C2H4 means ethene, propene and butene, so double bond will be available. Now alkyne have a general molecular formula CnH2n minus 2. अल्केन में क्या था, CnH2n plus 2 था, अल्कीन में CnH2n था, अल्काइन में क्या होगा, CnH2n minus 2 होगा. सो देयर नेम एंड विद द YNE. अल्केन का ANE, अल्कीन का ENE, एंड इसका YNE, एंड देयर members are as follows. इथाइन C2H2, propine C3H4, ethyne C2H2, propine C3H4, butane C4H6. You can see the structure here, triple bond is available. Thank you my dear students. In the next video we will see the next point of this topic.